Hello there, everyone. Well, hello everyone. It's me, Sarah, again, with an H. I'm sponsored by Holo Taco. You guys know Simply Nailogical, Christine, with no H? Yeah, her nail polish brand. I'm gonna be crafting some holo resin jewelry pendants using the new Christmas collection by Holo Taco, which features 6 holographic and glitter polishes. I am wearing these 3 on my nails right now. Christine, if you are watching this, I've had quite a few nail funerals lately, so please don't judge too harshly. I just got some stubs right now. But if your nails have recently gone through a tragedy, don't worry, Holo Taco is here. It'll cover up all the boringness and imperfections. A huge thank you to Holo Taco for sponsoring today's video. If you would like to shop the new Holo Taco collection, I'm gonna leave the link on the screen here and in the description box below. Go ahead and check it out and tell Christine, Simply Nailogical, that I sent you. Now without further ado, let's create some pretty pendants with glitter, holo glitter. For the first type of pendant, I'm going to use this silicone mold here and some UV resin. You could also use epoxy, but that's going to take a lot longer to harden and cure in between layers. And as you can see, I am starting with a thin layer, spreading that around, and then I'm going to try to get some of the air bubbles out with a lighter. Once that looks smooth, I'm gonna go ahead and slide that into this UV light here. I got this from Amazon. I will link all the supplies I'm using in the description box below. Anyway, this will only take a few minutes, and if you use epoxy, it will take forever, so this is the way to go. If you don't have a UV light, you could also use sunlight, but that does take a little bit longer. Now that that's cured, I'm going to take this beautiful green Holo Taco polish. Everything is pine. And I'm just brushing that all along the pendant to cover as much as I can. After spreading that as evenly as I possibly can, I'm going to take more UV resin and put an even layer on top and just coat everything. And now we have this very groovy looking pendant. It's not super concentrated, but you could add more polished layers if you want to change the look. I think it's pretty. Another way that you can do this if you want the holo glitter to be more concentrated is this, which you will see after I add this fake flower. So okay, the fake flower is in. I'm globbing some polish here. This is called Black Holo Wish. And I'm going to then put some resin and mix that together. So this is just a glittery goo, and I'm going to spoon that into the mold with this really nifty silicone tool. And if you want to make it even darker, you can add some black colorant or any color that you want and mix that in, then add that on top. Ooh, look how pretty this is, and the contrast between the black and the pink. I love it. I did a square diagonally split with Plum Luck and Gold Play Button, and a littler one with Choco Holo. The next type of pendant is a bezel pendant. So for this, I'm taking a little bit of tape and I'm going to stick the bezel down onto that and then glob the polish out like we did last time. Then I'm mixing some resin with that and I'm going to fill in all the empty spaces. So a bezel charm is basically just a metal charm with these open spaces. Space. Yeah, no pun intended there. Filling in the ring was a little bit of a challenge, and it kind of got out a bit, but I was able to fix that. Once that was all filled in, again, slid that into the little UV light chamber. And then I peeled it off the tape and it is complete. I did quite a few of these. My favorite one might be this bow, but I'm a little bit biased because, I mean, if you check through all my videos, you'll see a very common theme through a lot of them. Here I'm using Plum Luck and Naughty List. Ooh la la. All 6 holographic glitter polishes from the Christmas collection of Holo Taco include sparkling shades of unique holo glitter formula. It's a combination of micro, small, and medium-sized holographic glitters in a tinted jelly base for maximum holographic depth and sparkle. And this pendant in particular I think would be really cute to wear for the holidays. So I'm going to show you how to quickly add it to a chain. All you need for this is a jump ring and a pair of pliers. Well, I'm using 2 pairs, but you could do it with 1. Go ahead and open the jump ring carefully and place the charm on that. Leave it open and then grab your chain. So you want to put that at the very bottom in the middle where a normal charm would go on any piece of jewelry, and then go ahead and close that back up and make sure there is no gap, and then it is all ready to wear and you can pair it with any outfit that you would like. And then I did a dino. Couldn't resist. The third and final type of pendant is this cameo base pendant with metal charms. For this one I'm using an owl, as you can see, and I'm just taking a pair of pliers and I'm going to bend the charm loop off of that. You just have to mess with it a little bit. It should come off fairly easily. Then you know the drill. Mix the Holo Taco with the UV resin and put that onto the base of the pendant. Don't fill it too much because once you place the metal charm inside, it could overflow by the weight displacing it. And this gets cured the exact same way. I think these ones don't take quite as long because it is a more shallow layer of UV resin. But look at how pretty that turned out. I did a couple varieties of this one too, including this fairy with some star sequins. I think they really pull the design together nicely and add some pops of color in there too. I find that using a pair of tweezers for this makes the process a little bit more easy, and then you won't get your hands all covered with resin. You're not really supposed to touch it with your bare skin, so just be careful when you are doing these. Here they all are. Let me know in the comment section below which pendant or pendants are your absolute favorite and which Holo Taco polish is your favorite as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to shop Holo Taco below. Thank you again so much to Holo Taco for sponsoring, and I hope that you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye. Hello. Goodbye there. There's a description.